Hi guys, Austen Thomson here. I have had a terrible idea. It involves one of these, a DJI Mavic, one of these, a set of wire clippers, cordless, and a trusting friend. What could possibly go wrong? There he is, here's the unsuspecting friend.
I agree that Austen is liable for any injury or harm or even mild discomfort that I undergo during this process.
So this is my mate John. Oh man, it's raining. So this is my mate John, who has volunteered to have his hair cut by drone. Off his head. Yeah, I'm not really feeling good about this being a success, but why not? We're out here just opposite the salon. That big mural there, quite an iconic part of Leith. So it's a bit windier than I had planned, which causes a little bit of a problem for the drone. Not so much for me, but for him.
It's gonna be fine, man.
You're gonna be fine. Right, let's get set up. Where do you want to set up?
For the... Are you joking?
I don't think I've got it. We actually forgot to bring the remote for the drone. Maybe there's a message in that. Oh, don't grab the clippers, will you? It really is not going to plan. There's a balance issue with that. There is no way I can fly that anywhere near somebody's head. Need a plan B. Attempt 1, fail. So we've made some adjustments to the drone because it was swinging like this and the clippers were like flying really fast, and I thought that is not going to work swinging that near my mate's head. So plan B is a slight adjustment.
How do you feel that went?
Well, it went quite good.
But you nearly killed me a couple of times, is that what you're trying to say?
I nearly killed you a couple of times. I only nearly killed you once, to be honest.
Alright, fair dues. That's, you know, that's all good.
I feel a bit funny about a clipper flying towards your head.
Okay. It's, you know, it means a lot.
What's that doing? So it turns out that flying a drone with clipper suspended to it poses several challenges. One being, it's quite a serious health and safety risk. I nearly chopped John's head off on that attempt, so consider attempt 2 also a fail.
But there's good news.
But there is good news, we're going to have a third attempt. If at first you do not succeed, try again. That is the moral of this story. And health and safety matters. Also very, very important, kids.
Okay, I've begged him to stop, but he's going to do it again anyway. I'm actually beginning to fear for my life now. Understand why.
Whoa!
Okay.
So I would say that pretty much that is fundamentally a really bad idea, but however, we did get quite a good haircut. I thought there was no way we could have missed these.
I wasn't holding them out wide enough.
Jeez, oh. Anyway, that is the haircut. I think that's good. 70 quid. So it turns out that was a terrible idea. But we can do it, has been done. Slightly unpredictable in the outcome of the haircut, but hey, he looks good. Right, come and see this hair. This haircut deserves highlighted in the ring light. Wow! Nice. That is looking good. There is the piece that is missing. That was definitely a fail. It would actually appear that we have done more of a haircut than first thought.
Alright, okay.
Sorry, man. There's a little bit of texture in there. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.